In November, OPPO unveiled the Reno 15 and Reno 15 Pro in China, and today the Reno 15c has been officially launched. The phone will be available in Starlight Blue, Aurora Blue, and College Blue colorways. The OPPO Reno 15c is said to feature a 6.59-inch OLED display offering a 1.5K resolution, support a 120Hz refresh rate, include an in-screen fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The Reno 15c will be powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4, with 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage. It will also run ColorOS 16 based on Android 16. The camera include a 50MP main lens, Sony LYT600, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, IMX355, a 50MP telephoto lens, Samsung JN5, and a 50MP selfie shooter. The Reno 15c packs a 6,500 mAh battery and supports 80W fast charging. The OPPO Reno 15c is priced at 2,899 Yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.